Guys, today I'm taking a look at this Wi-Fi connected 360 degree 5 megapixel 3K indoor security camera from Botslab. Now, whether you want to use it to keep an eye on your baby, security of your home, or to keep an eye on your beloved pet when you're out and about, this could be just what you need, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Botslab C221 indoor 5 megapixel camera, and it's packed with a ton of features including multi-scene AI recognition. That's interesting. It also has one-touch calling, human recognition, pet detection, gesture call, and it works with Google and Alexa. Sounds pretty good, right? Now, before we get into it, guys, Botslab sent me this C221 indoor security camera to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And you know, if you follow my channel, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, opening up the box and getting all the stuff out, we have a mounting plate and template, some wall fixings. Note, this camera can be fixed on the wall or it can be mounted on the ceiling, both of which are going to facilitate full 360 degree rotation. And that's pretty cool. You also get a power brick, a USB-C connecting cable to power this camera up. You get some instructions, and of course guys, you get the camera itself. Now, looking around this camera guys, you've got an indicator light on the top that shows you the different statuses. You have a micro SD card for local storage, and that gives you a maximum size of 256 gigabytes. And you have a call button which will call anybody with full audio and video that has the app installed and this device paired. Turning this camera around, and you have a reset button and you have the speaker. And lastly, on the bottom, you have your USB-C port to connect the power. Now, in order to get this going, we need to hop over to either the Android Play Store or the iOS App Store and download the Botslab app. Now, while we're doing that, I'm just going to plug the camera in and just let it start up. When it starts up, it kind of goes through its 360 degrees rotation and its tilting mechanism. So it just kind of gets itself ready and calibrated. And just to note guys, this is USB-C connected. So if you don't have a mains outlet nearby, you could also use a suitable power bank. Now, once installed, we need to sign up for an account and then we're ready to add our camera. Now, this camera is Wi-Fi connected, so we will need to use the app to configure it. And you know what, like a lot of these devices, you have to use the phone app to scan the QR code, which then configures the Wi-Fi. And if you do have any problems doing that, guys, you can actually manually set it up. So no worries there. Just select the device in the app and follow the instructions. Once paired with the network, you are good to go, and your first screen will be an offer to sign up for cloud services. Now, it's always a good idea, as you know your recordings, etc. are always going to be available, even if your local SD card gets damaged, or God forbid, some would-be burglar steals the camera. At least you're going to have a nice picture of them preserved for evidence. Now, once you get past this screen, you're in the main app window where you're going to see your live view. And the first thing you're going to notice is that quality from that 5 megapixel 3K resolution. You also have the PTZ controller, which is going to give you that 360 degrees pan and about 90 degrees tilt in both directions. Now, taking a look at the app, and you can choose to record any video clips. You can take a photo. You can do all of that manually. You can call the camera to talk to anyone near it, and you're going to get, you know, full audio video there when you do that. And you can also choose either cloud recording or to record to your local SD card. And if you go into the settings again, you get to make a call to the camera. So you can do that from the settings, and you get this really cool feature, which I think is the bomb, which is called round looking. And that basically rotates the camera around its full 360 degrees and it tilts it up and down. So if you're out and about and you want to have a quick scan around the home or wherever you've got this does just that. It's pretty awesome. I mean, if you have it mounted on the ceiling, you know, you can get a full 360 degree unrestricted view of your entire room. And you know what? That's pretty cool. Other settings enable you to choose skills, turn the camera on or off, or set a schedule to do that, switch on human detection, and guys, a whole lot more. You can even set this up to work with Google and Alexa, and you can also update the firmware. Honestly, it's packed with features. And guys, when the camera does sense some motion, it's going to alert you based on your phone notification settings, and obviously it's going to record the clip into your library. And guys, if somebody wants to speak to you and they're at the camera, they can do that by pushing this call button. And you know what? Anybody that's got the app and this camera associated with it is going to get the call. It's almost like a private video conference. Pretty neat. So guys, there you have it. This C221 360 degrees 3K 5 megapixel camera from Botslab is just the job for monitoring your baby, pet, or just keeping your home or office safe and secure. It has a ton of features, it's got great video quality, and it won't break the bank at only £89.99 at the time of this video going live. It's a bit of a steal camera to watch anybody stealing. But guys, I shall also leave any other product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Botslab for sending me this very cool indoor security camera. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.